Hello and welcome to today's mini Mawvelous Mudra. Today's mudra is the Shankh Mudra, and it is the mudra where the hand posture represents the look of a conch shell. So it's kind of an interesting mudra. It's a mudra that is about your immunity function and throat related problems. So this mudra is connected to your throat chakra, which fittingly is located at your throat. And it is known as the chakra that gives voice to your spirit. So this will help to balance the immune function and throat issues related to thyroid, perhaps stammering, stuttering, speech problems, that sort of thing. We connect our hands, and it's like an energy loop that links our brain and body with the hand posture and then with connective breath. Within the hand, the elements in the hand, we've got water, earth, space, and air, and then the thumbs are fire. So we're going to take your left hand and encircle your right thumb, and then extend your left thumb up in the air. And then we want to just bring all the fingertips of the right hand to touch the tip of the left extended thumb. Okay, so that's the look of the conch seashell. Then draw that in towards your throat chakra. So we are going to then stimulate this current of this electromagnetic current within the body that helps to balance these energy elements and help to restore health. So we will take a nice deep breath, soften your shoulders, soften your thoughts, soften your gaze. Big breath in, and you're not gripping tight onto your thumb. You've just encircled your thumb with your fingers and then extending those fingers up. Bring that positive intention to your mudra, the Shankh Mudra, and work towards balancing that immune function within the body. And you can practice this mudra. They recommend it 45 minutes a day. That probably feels like a long time, but you can do it in 5-minute increments, working your way up to 15 minutes. And do that a few times a day if you want to sort of direct that energy at the most prosperous results. But just bringing that to the body, just to try it out and try these mudras, it's all good and it helps balance your day. So they're wonderful tools to reach for to help bring that beautiful balance. So big breath in, fill the belly, fill the chest, fill the rib cage, and then let that soften and reverse out. Big, beautiful breath in, and feel that breath fill the body and feel it reverse its way out. And I hope you enjoy this Shankh Mudra and today's mini Mawvelous Mudra, and have a marvelous day. Bye-bye.